Dear students, today we will learn chapter 1 of class 7. The name of the chapter 1 is integers. So what is an integer? An integer is a positive or negative number with no fractions parts. 0 is also an integer. In an integers we will taken all negative numbers to positive numbers. Also we include 0, which is neither negative nor positive number, except fractionals and decimal values. For example, like -4, 4, 5 and 1. These all are integers. Let's start exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, the question number 1, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here a timeline is given in which some boxes are drawn of some places, like for Rahul Spiti a box is drawn, for Srinagar in timeline a box is drawn, and for Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. The question number 1a part. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We have to observe this number line and find out the temperature of each place. First, we will calculate temperature of Lahul Spiti. We can see here the box is drawn, which is number 2 from the temperature -10 to the right hand side, 1 and 2. So we have to add 2 into -10. So I write here -10 plus 2. Now you can see here the 10 number is in negative and 2 is in positive number. So we will subtract 2 from 10. So after subtracting 2 from 10 we will get number 8, and write here the sign of minus, because the maximum number, like here 10, is in negative number. Now we will calculate temperature of Srinagar. As we can see here, after temperature -5, the boxes for Srinagar is on number 3 towards right side, 1, 2 and 3. We will add 3 into -5. So we will subtract 3 from 5. We will get number 2, and we will assign sign minus, because 5 is the greater number from 3. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now we will calculate temperature of Shimla, which is on timeline given 5 degrees Celsius. Now come to the temperature of Ooty. As we can see here, we will add number 4 to 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 degrees Celsius. So we have got temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Now we will calculate temperature of Bangalore. Now we will add 2 because as we can see here, from 20 towards right hand side 1 and 2. So we will add 2 into 20 and we will get 22 degrees Celsius. So these all are the temperature of different places. Now come to the question number 1 and B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? The temperature of hottest and coldest places, we will find the temperature from the timeline. As we can see here, the coldest place is Lahul Spiti, which we have calculated -8, and the hottest place is Bangalore, which we have calculated 22 degrees Celsius. Now we will subtract coldest place from the hottest place. So difference between the hottest and coldest place is 22 minus bracket में -8. Now you can see here the symbol minus is inside bracket and also outside bracket. Now the symbol minus become plus. So 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So difference between the hottest and the coldest places is 30 degrees Celsius. Now come to the question number 1, part C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Now we have to calculate temperature of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar and difference between them. So from timeline, as you can see here, the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 because we have calculated earlier. Temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now we will subtract -2 degrees Celsius from the -8 degrees Celsius. So difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to -8 minus bracket start -2 bracket close. As you can see here, in bracket there is symbol of minus and outside the bracket there is symbol of minus, and these symbol of minus and minus become plus. So -8 plus 2. As you can see here, there one symbol is plus and one symbol is minus. So we will subtract 2 from 8, which is 6, and we will put symbol is equal to minus because 8 is the largest number from 2. So minus symbol is attached to number 8 and hence we will write here minus in front of 6 degrees Celsius. So difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is -6 degrees Celsius. Now come to the question number 1, part D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? So first we will add temperature of Srinagar and the temperature of Shimla. So as you can see from timeline, the temperature of Srinagar is -2 and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So first we will add temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, which is -2 plus में 5. So 5 minus 2, which is 3 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. Now we have to check that this temperature is less than from Shimla temperature. Yes, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius temperature of Shimla. is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? As we have find out the addition of Shimla and Srinagar temperature, and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar is less than the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. Now come to the question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answer. If the answer is correct, then the gives positive number, and negative number are given for the incorrect answer. If the answer is incorrect, then give the negative number. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was the total at the end? We have to find out the sum of these marks. So total marks got by Jack are 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now I will remove brackets like 25 plus minus minus -5 plus minus minus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now I will add positive number separately and negative number separately. So the sum of positive number is 50, because 25 plus 15 plus 10 is equal to 50, minus 5 plus 10, 15. So if I will subtract 15 from 50, then we will get 35. So 35 marks got by the Jack at the end. Now come to the question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is given -5 degrees Celsius, and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So on Tuesday it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. It means we will subtract -2 degrees Celsius from -5 degrees Celsius. So as you can see here, both the sign is equal. So we will add 5 plus 2, 7, and we will put negative sign here because 5 is the more than 2 and 5 has negative number. So the temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees Celsius. Now read the question. What is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Okay, we have got is -7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature is rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on the day? So as we have got temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees Celsius, which has increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So it is increased, so we will add 4 degrees Celsius inside -7 degrees Celsius. So you can see here one symbol is positive and another is negative, so we will subtract 4 from 7 and we will get 3, and we will put here sign minus because 7 is more than 4 and 7 has the symbol negative. So the temperature on Wednesday is equal to -3 degrees Celsius. Now comes on the question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. As you can see here, a plane is 5,000 meters from the sea level, at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating point 1200 meter below the sea level. So as you can see here, a submarine which is 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, so the height of a plane above the sea level is equal to 5,000 meters, and the floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meters. So as we have to calculate the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine, so we will add 5,000 meters to 1200 meters, which is 6200 meters is the answer. Now comes to the question number 5. Question number 5 is Mohan deposits 2,000 in his bank account and withdraw 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, okay, if we will withdraw, then we will show it from negative. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Means we will show the deposit amount by plus symbol. Find the balance in Mohan account after withdrawal. Okay, we have to find out the balance in Mohan account. As that's Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees, and withdrawal amount is 1642, and we will subtract 1642 from 2000. Okay, balance in Mohan account. So Mohan account balance 358. 358 is the answer. Now comes to the question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A. Okay, this is a point A. Rita goes to point B. This is 20 km. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. Now Rita goes towards west 30 km. Let's assume this is the point number C. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive number, this is represented by positive number, and this is represented by negative number. By which integer will you represent her find position from A? We have to find the position from A. So according to the number line, Rita moves toward east is represented by positive integer, and this as I have already told you. Now distance from A to B is equal to 20 km, and distance from B to C is 30 km. Now distance from A to C is 20 minus में 30 km. So 20 is a positive number, 30 is a negative number. So we will subtract 20 from 30, which is 10, and we will put here the sign like minus sign, because 30 is more than 20 and 30 has the symbol of minus sign. So distance from A to C is equal to minus 10 km. Thus Rita is the final position from A to C is minus 10 km. Okay, comes to the question number 7. In a magic square, each row and column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which is the following is a magic square. If the sum of the rows, columns and diagonals R is equal, then the square is a magic square, otherwise the square is not a magical square. So we will take figure number 1. First we will calculate the sum of the row. So first the sum of the row 1 is 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 is equal to 5 minus 1 minus 4, because we have removed brackets. Now we will add negative number and positive number separately. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now come to the sum of the row number 2, which is minus 5 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 7. So first I will remove brackets. So minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. Now I will add negative and positive number separately. So minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7 and plus 7. So if we will subtract 7 from 7, we will get 0. Now come to the sum of row 3, which is 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. First I will remove brackets. So 0 plus 3 minus 3, and now if I will subtract 3 from 3, then we will get 0. Now come to the sum of the columns. So first I will add 5 plus minus 5 plus 0, and then I will remove brackets. Is 5 minus 5 plus 0, 5 minus 5, and if we remove 5 from 5, we will get 0. Now come to the sum of column number 2 is minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Okay, first I will remove brackets. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Now I will add minus and numbers. So minus 3 plus 3, which we will get 0. Now comes to the sum of column 3, minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. So minus 7 minus 7, we should get 0. Sum of diagonal 1, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. First I will remove brackets, then we will get 5 minus 2 minus 3. Now we will add negative and positive number separately. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Come to the sum of diagonal 2, which is minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. Now remove brackets. Minus 4 minus 2 plus 0. Now I will add negative number. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 0 is equal to minus 6. So except sum of diagonal 2, all the sums are equals. But so sum of diagonal 2 is not equal, so then this box is not a magic square. Now comes to the figure number 2. First we will calculate sum of all rows, like 1 plus minus 10 plus 0 is the sum of row 1. Remove brackets, and then I will get 1 minus 10 plus 0 is equal to 1 minus 10. Then I will remove 1 from 10 and put symbol negative. So my answer is minus 9. Now come to the sum of row 2, which is minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Now I will remove brackets, then I will get minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. These all the numbers are negative, then I will add all the numbers and put the symbol negative after the 9. Now come to the sum of row 3, which is minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7. Now I will remove brackets, then we will get minus 4 plus 4 minus 7. Now I will add negative number separately. Minus 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 13, and we will put positive number 4. I will subtract 4 from 13, then I will get minus 9. Now comes to the sum of column number 1, which is 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. Now I will remove brackets, then I will get 1 minus 4 minus 6. and again I will add negative number separately, then we will get 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Now comes to the sum of column number 2, which is minus 10, minus 3 and 4. Now I will remove brackets, then I will get minus 10, minus 3 plus 4, and then I will add negative number. Minus 10 minus 3 is equal to minus 13 and plus 4, and I will subtract 4 from 13 is equal to minus 9. Suppose minus 13 is a negative number, so I will put here negative. Sum of column number 3, which is 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. So first I will do bracket, then I will get 0 minus 2 minus 7, and again I will add negative numbers, then I will get minus 9. Now comes to the addition of the diagonals. The first diagonal is 1 minus 3 minus 7. So 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7, then I will get 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Now comes to the sum of diagonal number 2, 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. So I will remove brackets, then I will get 0 minus 3 minus 9. These two numbers are negative numbers, then I will add that number and we will get minus 9. So as you can see here, all the sums are same. So this diagonal, this magic square, this box is a magic square because all the sums are equal. Now comes to the question number 8. Verify a minus bracket start minus b bracket close is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. So these are the 4 sub questions. Now I will start one by one. So first question is a equal to 21 and b equal to 18. Now I will put here the value of a and b. So comes to the answer as given, a is equal to 21 and b equal to 18, and this is the equation. Is a minus bracket start minus b bracket close is equal to a plus b. So first I will put the values on the left hand side. So I will put here in place of a 21 and in place of b 18. So 21 minus bracket start minus 18. So minus minus become plus. So 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Now we will put on the right hand side, which is a plus b. So I have put it in place of a 21 and in place of b 18, and I will calculate sum of these two numbers, which is equal to 39. So left hand side is equal to 30, right hand side, so hence verified. Comes to the question number part number 2. So given a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. So and this is the equation. Now we have put the value of a and b on the left hand side, which is 118 minus bracket start minus 125. So minus minus become positive. 118 plus 125. Then I will add these two numbers and we will get 243. Same here on the right hand side, we have put it. We have write the equation and put the value of a and b. So 118 plus 125 is equal to 243. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side, which is verified. Now comes to the part number 3. This is a given, a is equal to 75 and b is equal to 84, and the equation is a minus b is equal to a plus b. Now I have taken left hand side and put the value of a is equal to 25 and b is equal to 84. So as you can see here, in a bracket there is negative number and after negative number which become positive number. So 75 plus 84 is equal to 159. Same on the right hand side, I will put it value of a and b, and then we will find the sum of these two numbers, which is 159. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now comes to the part number 4. given that a is equal to 28 and b is equal to 11, and the equation is a minus b bracket close is equal to a plus b. So on the left hand side I put it the value of a and b, so the negative number become positive, and the equation is 28 plus 11. If we will add these two numbers, we will get 39. Same on the right hand side, this equation is a plus b, and we will put the value of a and b, which is 21 and b 11. So 28 plus 11 is equal to 39. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now comes to the question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than, equal to in the box to make the statement true. This is the statement. There is on the left hand side and right hand side, in between there is a box in which we have to show these three symbols. So if I will add minus 8 plus minus 4 and minus 8 minus minus 4. So first I will remove brackets. So minus 8 minus 4 and minus 8 plus 4. So these two numbers are the negative numbers. So I will add these two numbers and put the symbol negative. So minus 12, and here 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So we will subtract 4 from 8, which is 4, and the symbol from the highest number, which is negative. So you can see here, this is a minus 4 number and this is a minus 12. Minus 4 is greater than minus 12, hence I will put here the symbol less than. Minus 4 is greater than the minus 12. Comes to the 9th B part. So here first I will remove brackets. So minus 3 plus 7 minus 19, and on the right hand side 15 minus 8 minus 9. So first I will add negative and positive number. So here minus 22 plus 7, and on the right hand side 15 minus 17. So the first number is positive and second number negative. So I will subtract 7 from 22 and put the symbol negative. So answer is minus 15, and on the right hand side the one is positive symbol, 7 is negative symbol. So I will subtract 15 from 17, I will get 2 and put the symbol of highest number, which is minus. So as you can see here, minus 2 is greater than minus 15, so I will put here less than symbol. Comes to the question number 9 and part 3, in which I will add positive number and negative number separately. So 23 plus 11 is equal to 34 minus 41, and the right hand side 23 minus 52. So first is positive and another is a negative, so I will subtract 34 from 41 and put the minus symbols. So this answer is the minus 7, and on the right hand side we will subtract 23 from 52 and we will get minus 29, because 52 is more than 23 and has the negative numbers. As you can see here, minus 7 is greater than minus 29, so I will put here greater than symbol. Comes to the question number 9 part D. First I will remove brackets. So 39 minus 24 minus 15, and here 36 minus 15 and plus 36. Then I will get 39 minus 39, and here 72 minus 52. And I will subtract these two numbers, I will get 0, and here I will get 20, and put the plus symbol because 72 is more than 52 and 72 has the positive number. As you can see here, 20 is more than 0, so I put here less than symbol. Comes to the question number 9 part E. I will add positive and negative numbers separately. So here we will get minus 231 plus 130, and here minus 399 plus 240. First number is negative, another is positive, so I will subtract 130 from 231 and put the minus symbol, which is 101, and here minus 159. Minus 101 is more than minus 159, so I put here greater than symbol. Comes to the question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The first step, the water level at the 9th step. there is a water tank and a stair is ready to carry water, and the water on the 9th step. A monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps up. In how many jumps we will reach the water level? See here, this is the 9 steps. First the monkey will jump 3 steps, so it will move from step 1 to step 4 because he jumped 3 steps down. After that the monkey jumps 2 steps up, so the monkey will come from step 4 to step 2. From the second jump, again it will jump 3 steps and move to the step 5. Again he will step up to 2 steps and it will reach to step 3. Again the monkey jumps 3 steps and reach to the step 6. Again the monkey jumps step up to step 4. From 6th jump, again the monkey jump from step 4 to step 7 is the 7th jump. Again the monkey jumps step up from step 7 to step 5. From the 8th jump, again the monkey jumps from step 5 to step 8. From 9th jump, again the monkey jumps step up from 8th step to 6th step. From the 10th jump, after that the monkey jump from step 6 to step 9 is the 11th jump, and step 9 has the water. So the monkey takes 11 jumps to reach the water. This is the summary. Like first jump, first plus 3, 4 steps. Second jump, 4 minus 2, because the monkey step up to 2 steps is equal to 2 steps. Like here, on 11th jump, the monkey reaches the 9th step. He will reach 9th step in 11th jump. So this is the part 1 of question number 10. Now move to the part 2nd. After drinking water, the monkey reaches to the water, he drinks the water, he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the 4th step? So as this is the steps, so first he will move to the upward 4 steps. So this is jump 1. After that step down to second jump. After that jump 4, jump 3 to the step 3, and after that jump 4th jump to step 5. After that 5th jump to the step 1. Now he reaches to the top of the stair. So the monkey reaches back on the first step in 5th jump. Now comes to the question number 3rd. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and number of steps moved up represented by positive number, means if the steps up means positive and steps down means negative. So there are two parts, A and B, and it is given that minus 3 plus 2 plus dash 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 is equal to minus 8. So we have to find out minus 8. Now what value we will add, that we will reach to the value minus 8. So as you can see here, I will add minus 3 plus 2 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will reach to the minus 8 number. So first I will add negative and positive number separately, and we will get minus 24 plus 16, which is minus 8. So comes to the question number B, is minus 4 minus 2 plus dash dash equal to 8. So we have to find value 8 So what value we will add 4 minus 2, then we will get number 8. So we will add 4 times 4 minus 2, then we will get number 8. First I will add positive and negative number separately, which is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So students, this is the exercise 1.1. If you have any doubt, then you can comment us. Thank you.